Hi friends, good evening. My name is Achyut and I'm from Vizag. So today in this class, we will discuss about comparison operators in Python. So we will discuss comparison operators in Python. So let's create a new file and documents, go to documents and go to the Python program folder, and here you have to create comparison operators dot py and save it. So here, for example, x is equal to 10 and y is equal to 20, right? And I'll write print x is greater than y. So is this condition true? No, right? X value is 10 and y value is 20. Is x is greater than y? False, right? So you'll get false. Click on F5, click on OK. You'll get false. So likewise, you print x greater than y, then you will get true. Then you will get true. Sorry, x less than y, right? X less than y. Save it and click on OK. Then you will get true, right? So it is greater than, and it is less than, right? It is greater than and it is less than. And we are having another thing, print x is equal to y, which is equal to comparison operator. So here we are checking, here x value is 10 and y value is 20, right? Here we are checking whether x and y values are equal or not. Is it equal? No, right? X value is 10 and y value is 20. So it is not equal. So that's why it will print false. Click on F5. Okay. The first one you're getting false. For example, if you give 10 here, then it is equal. Now we got true. So in this way, we can compare the two variables whether it is equal or not. So that is called comparison operator in equal. And likewise, we are having not equal to also. Print x not equal to y. Is x not equal to y? No, right? X and y values are same. So then it will give the false. See, we got false. So it is not equal to operator. And finally, we are having two more, which is greater than or equal to. So x is greater than or equal to y. For example, we are having x value is 10 and y value is y. Sorry, y value is 10. So is x is greater than? No, right? But it is equal to. But it is equal to, right? X and y values are equal, right? But it is not greater. But in this both symbols, we are satisfying one condition, right? So it will give true. true. See, it will give true because 10 and 10, 10 and 10 are equal and x and y values are equal, right? So this statement is satisfying. So that's why it's giving the true. So either of this condition, it should be greater than or it should be equal to. If either of this condition passes, then it will give true. If both the conditions not satisfying, then it will give false. So it is greater than or equal to. And we are having x less than or equal to y. So x is less than y. For example, I'll give 9 here. So it is x is less than y, right? But it is not equal to. But it is not equal to. But either of this condition passes. So it will give true. It will give true. See, we got true. Because it is passing. So it is x is less than 10. X is less than 10. It's satisfied. So it give true. Whether it is equal to, it is equal to. No, right? 9 is not equal to 10. But either of this condition, one condition is passing, right? So that's why it will give true. We will see both the conditions are not equal to. For example, if we see x 90, x is 90 and 10 is, sorry, y is 10. Y is 10, right? See here, x is less than y. No, it is greater than no, y because it is 90, x value is 90 and y value 10. And the next one is whether x and y values are equal. No, right? Because x value is 90 and y value is 10. It is not equal. So both the conditions are failing. So what you will get? You will get false. See, we are getting false. So it is less than or equal to, less than or equal to. So I hope you understand the simple comparison operators in Python. And if you have any doubts, just please comment in the chat. I will definitely help you out. And if you think this video is helpful for you, then please like the video and please share this video to your friends and family members so that they can be benefited from this video. And please subscribe to my channel and please ring the bell icon. Then only you'll get the notification whenever I upload videos in the YouTube, or otherwise you will not get the notification. Thank you, friends. Jai Hind.